What's up, fellas? This is the 2015 Sage Autograph Football Random Player Card break number 2. You guys can see over on the right-hand side, we have all of the names, and I'll kind of scroll through super fast. But we are full. So, what I'm going to do, guys, also look over there in the top left-hand corner. $47, 149 spots, our final mixer that we are going to be running, because the Mega will be taking over, fellas. And trust me, the new format of the Mega after tonight is just going to blow your mind. It's going to be amazing. And it's going to make mixers look just like crap, to be honest with you. It's really going to move ahead and be something completely special here. So yes, for the Mega tonight, there are going to be 10 free spots, free giveaway. Out of it was like a month long, guys. Of if you bought into a filler, win or lose, you got an entry. If you bought a team in a break, then you got 2. So there's a lot of dissecting and getting it ready, though. So okay, guys, we're gonna grab all of these entrants. I'm going to copy them. I'm going to switch your screen over right now. There we go. Switch your screen over. I'm going to drop these into the randomizer. Guys, we're going to go over to the virtual dice. We're going to use this dice roll for both randoms. The random of your names of the entrants and random of the player cards. No hints, buddy. Just awesomeness is all I can tell you. We're going to go over here to the dice roll. We're going to only re-roll Snake Eyes. See how many times we're going to randomize our list. Here we go. Here is your timestamp. We're going to go 11 times, guys. Here we go. 1. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final randomize. Starting out with number 20, Neil. A lot of John Woodruff. He bought big. All the way down to Martin. We're going to copy these fellas. We're going to start our new list right here. All right, we got all those ready. Now, this darkened section has all of the player card options. Just to give you guys an idea. Give me 1 second here. Let me change colors so you guys can see those. If you guys look, let me see where it's at. There's a Malcolm Brown with an L and a Malcolm Brown with no L. So there's 2 different Malcolm Browns in there, just so you guys know. So if you say, hey, I didn't get my Malcolm Brown card, well, there's 2 different ones. So just so you guys know. All right. Copy. We're going to go back over here to our randomizer. In fact, what we're going to do, list randomizer, drop all options. Well, that sure wasn't all the player card options. So let me go back over. Oh, man. Well, one player card option, guys. Good luck. 73. 72 unhappy people. Let's go try this again. There they are. There they are. All right. Knock that empty space out. There we go. We're going to go 11 times, fellas. 11 times. Then we'll match them up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more buzz. Good luck. Here we go. Starting out with Sammy Coates. Nice. Going all the way down to the bottom. Last one is Leonard Williams, who I actually wanted the Titans to draft over Mariota. Yeah, I look back and kind of laugh now, but that's what it was. I was pretty sore. I was at the draft. People probably have some really funny videos of me from that, I'm sure. There is your lineup. Guys, I am going to change the color on this so you guys can see it a little bit better in yellow. I'm also going to copy this. I will drop it both in the chat and in the status that says in the group page. The last status I just dropped said we're going to start in a few minutes. Wherever that status is, I'm going to find it and I'm going to drop everything in there. We're going to get started in a few minutes. I will drop it in a comment. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to drop it in the video as well. In your live video right now. Face to the video for. Neil got Sammy Coates right on top. All right, guys. That is your list. Looks like I see Todd Gurley on the list. Goes to John Withrow if we have one of those. Odell Beckham Jr. would go to Martin. Nice. Blake Bortles, John Withrow. Jameis Winston, Withrow. Teddy Bridgewater. Wow. And Tyler Lockett, Carlos Hyde. Muhammad gets Kevin White if he's in there. Mari Cooper would go to Matt Anderson. Man. All right. Well, let's get started, fellas. Let's get started. Switch the camera over. Give it just a second to switch over. Hope you guys are ready. 2015 Sage. Autograph football. Random player card number. There it is. Here we go, guys. Let's see if we can get this a little bit farther back. There we go. Good luck, guys. First up, we have 1 out of 10 Shaq Thompson. Nice start. 1 out of 10. Who's got Shaq Thompson? John Withrow. Imagine that. John bought a lot of spots in this. Nice hit, John. And we have a 22 out of 40. Levi Norwood. Nice. Look at that, Shaq Thompson. That is nice. Nice hit. Oh, we know the players in all of them, Jared. We just randomized the list and matched them up. We knew who the players were that were in this, just not who actually had them yet until just now. Oh, buddy. First up, Jimmy Garoppolo. 17 out of 20. Nice. Jimmy Garoppolo. Who's got Garoppolo? Did I miss it? Ah, Damon Thielen. Nice, Damon. Good start there. And we have a 22 out of 30, John Crockett. Green Bay. But we did get a Jimmy Garoppolo. Nice. Nice hit, Damon. How do I know what's in the box? Well, we don't know exactly what's in here, but those are the player card options. That's the checklist right there. So we just sell the checklist. And if you happen to hit one of the cards, then it's yours. Do it, Jarrett. You just buy a random player card. You find out who it is right before the break. And if your player card hits, even if it hits 3 or 4 times, you get all those cards of that player card. First up, Kevin White. 27 out of 30. Wow, there you go. I believe that. Muhammad Ibrahim. Nice hit. Then we also have 9 out of 10, Davis Tull. We sell every player card, Jarrett. Every. So any card that comes out of here, somebody has claim to it. If for some strange reason they have a ridiculous card that no one had, then we would random it off to the group. But I have not seen anything like that. So it just goes to whoever has the card. First up, we got 27 out of 30, Devin Smith. That's Devin Smith. 27 out of 30. And Michael Pruitt. 29 out of 40 for Minnesota. Nice. I think I got like quite a few of this Michael Pruitt in different sets. I don't know if he's playing or what. I never really kept up with that guy. And no problem, Jarrett. Ah, here's a nice one right here. 40 out of 40 of Landon Collins. Nice hit. Landon Collins. Wow. Who has Landon Collins? John Withrow. Nice hit. And we have 15 out of 30, Darren Waller. Darren Waller, 15 out of 30. Glad we're getting numbered cards, guys. Remember, we had a one box where we had a ton of numbered cards. Any. Man, I want to see us pull like a Todd Gurley or Amari Cooper or something. Cooks, 19 out of 20. Nice. That's a real nice hit right there. Brandon Cooks. Taft. Jamie Taft. Nice hit. And we have 9 out of 30. Nice. Guys, I know a lot of people have been asking me if we can get more of these 2015. I ended up going to a distributor that I have not used before to get this second one. I'm searching everywhere, but these are pretty much sold out everywhere. But if I can get my hands on some more, I will, because they sell out super, super fast. Nice to have in fillers. Oh boy! 16 out of 30, Todd Gurley. Wow, there we go. Todd Gurley, John Withrow. You got one, buddy. Nice hit. Todd Gurley. And we have 21 out of 40, Mike Hull. But we did get a Gurley. Nice. That was worth all those buy-ins alone right there. That was worth it all. That's what you wanted, wasn't it? Todd Gurley. Unbelievable. I'm glad we pulled that. That is sweet. But wait, there's more. Zach Mettenberger, 11 out of 15 for John Withrow. That's a really shiny looking card. Zach Mettenberger. Hey man, as much as Roethlisberger gets hurt, this guy might get some action this year with a better offense. And Taylor Heineke, 28 out of 30. Nice. So glad to see a Gurley come out of this. Very, very nice. And as you guys can see, I've gotten a lot better at opening these Sage packs. Oh boy, another good one. Telvin Coleman. It's actually Tevin Coleman. They put Telvin Coleman on the front, and they corrected it, and it says Tevin Coleman on the back. That's pretty funny. It is Tevin Coleman, just so you guys know. And that goes out to Neil Flockton. And we have, that was 32 out of 40 and 27 out of 30. Marcus Murphy. Nice hit. Nice hit. See, Tevin Coleman, his autograph has actually gotten worse. I think he just does TC now. TEC. First up, we got, wow, Randy Gregory Gold, 20 out of 20. Nice. 20 out of 20, Randy Gregory. And Rennell Hall, 20 out of 20 gold. Wow, 220 out of 20. Unbelievable. I think they did that to us on one of those out of 5 cards in the, I think on the 2016. That is crazy. Come on, let's pull Amari Cooper, Kevin White now. 28 out of 40, Tyler Lockett. Nice hit. Tyler Lockett, 28. Wow. And 23 out of 40, Brandon Bridge. Nice. Grab some more of these pennies. Now we got a Lockett, we got a Gurley, Tevin Coleman. Last one, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Oh, yeah, we got a Kevin White, too. Last one. Let's see what we got. Whoa, there we go. Max Williams, 15 out of 30. After being hurt most of his rookie year, I think he's going to have a good year this year. Look out for Max Williams. And last one, 12 out of 30, Quentin Rollins. Quentin Rollins, 12 out of 30. Nice hits. These Sage cards go quick, guys. That is your break. That was Sage 2, guys. So just give me a couple minutes here and we'll get started on jersey break number 5. Load this to YouTube. Hang on just a second.